and for some reason there is an issue with a product which has been uploaded, that product will then appear in your draft. These can be accessed from the catalog. Compare your draft. Here we will list of product which has been uploaded properly, and on the left you will see a list of the issue with them. For example, the ones here are the missing information. Computer draft is telling us that the issue to fix here is that we have a product ID in this case and it is the ASIN, but we do not have the product ID type. So if we specify what I type and save it, then it should solve the problem. There are a number of other reasons why this thing could have failed to give live where are listed here on the left. Invalid information is where a variable has been added to the list in which is not one allowed values. Matching conflict is where you have uploading a new listing, but Amazon thinks there is already one in the Amazon catalog. If we look at the product which has the matching error and click edit draft, see it will produce a link that is possible matching product, and we can say yes, this is my product if we want to list against it. And then from there I just have to add the price and quantity, and qualification requirement is where you have tried a list against a brand or AI sign and category which you are not qualified to sell. If you want to apply to sell these items, then you need to go to the catalog selling application. If you want to apply for category, a brand or ASIN, you would need to search for that product here. You can then put in that application. The application will appear here. For example, this one here is for all the jigsaw puzzle. We go to the application. In this case, we need to provide an invoice for product from this manufacturer or distributor to show that we have right to sell it. Once you have right to sell a product, you would then need to upload the file again.